Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your PDF or any other document like PowerPoint, PPTX file into a engaging visual infographic like this. So I made this infographic with Google Gemini, so you can also do this for free. So watch the video till the end and learn how you can create this type of infographic for free in Google Gemini. So first you need to come to your Google Gemini application and then you need to choose Canvas from here, and after that you need to upload your file. So click on this upload file option. Choose upload files and upload the PDF or any other document like PPTX, Google Sheets that you have. So I'm just going to upload this how to save money. Click on open and it will be uploaded on my Google Gemini. Now you have to give it a prompt here. Just write open this in Canvas and click submit. And now as you can see, the whole PDF is now opened in the Google Gemini Canvas. Now what you have to do to create an infographic, go to this right corner. Here you will find the option called create. Click on this. Now choose the infographic option. Click on infographic and it will start to create a visual engaging infographic from the PDF file or any other file that you uploaded here in Google Gemini. Now it will start to write some code here, but don't worry, this code will be turned into a infographic and I'll show you how to download this as an image on your PC or a PDF. Now our infographic has been ready. As you can see, our boring PDF now turned into a visual engaging infographic just like this. So how to download this? First, you need to go to the code option, click on this code, then copy this whole code. After copying the whole code from this code menu, just go to your desktop, right click on it and create a new text file. Click on this text document, open your text document and paste the whole code here. And after that, go to the file option, click on this save as and change the text document to HTML. So remove the TXT and add HTML. Now click save, close it. Now you'll find a HTML file on your PC. So just open this on your Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to open this on my Google Chrome. So after opening this on your Google Chrome, how to download this as an image? So to download this as an image, you need to install an extension called full page screen capture or website long page screen capture. So you can use another extension to screenshot a long capture of a screenshot, but I'm using this go full page screen capture option. So just add it to your extension on your Chrome browser. After that, go to the PDF or the infographic here and go to the manage extension and click on this go full page. First, you need to allow access to file URL. So go to the extension settings. Then go down here, you'll find the option called allow access to file URLs. Turn on this. Then go to the infographic. Again, go to the extension and click on go to full page extension. And it will start to screen capture your whole website and turn this into an image, as you can see. So to download this, just go to this right corner here, you'll find the option called download image as PNG. Also, you can download this as a PDF. So I'm just going to download this as a PNG. And now as you can see, my infographic has been downloaded as an image PNG in my PC. So I just turned this boring PDF into a visual infographic like this with the data that I have on this PDF. So that's it guys, this is the video I want to share with you. You can turn your PDF into an infographic like this for free in Google Gemini. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.